All right, today we're talking about how to install a created strategy file into the FXCM Trading Station platform after you've created it using the EXTB extension builder or the Trading Station strategy builder here. After we've created our code, so we went through, we set up all of our options here for the strategy. We got the code. We clicked the Export Strategy button, which downloaded the file into our downloads folder, okay, whether you're in Google Chrome like I am here, or Mozilla or Internet Explorer, you're going to check that downloads folder. And most of the time you'll see it right down here in the bottom. Again, on Google Chrome, this is very easy. When you have it like that, you can see what I've done here is I've actually minimized or shrank the size of my screen here. So instead of it being full screen, I've just pulled it over here to about half. And I put my market scope, my FXCM charting package over here on the right-hand side. This way I can work from just one screen here and easily drag and import this file right onto this chart, okay? Now, you don't have to do it in one screen split side by side like this. I typically work from two monitors, and I'm sure a lot of people do work with dual screens or multiple monitors here. If you have that, that's fine, but for ease of recording this video, I put them together on one screen. You could do this exact same thing if they are on separate monitors. So if you've got a monitor over on the left or on the right or up top or down below, just take and click and hold on this file and drag it wherever you want. You see the words, how we're kind of dragging it around there? And once you get it over top of Market Scope, you see how that icon kind of changes? So it's like, hey, you can actually drop it there versus up here, it's like, you can't drop anything in there, right? But here, I can. So here, no good. You see, you get the little X or the circle with the line through it. Not good, not good, not an acceptable place. But anywhere here on the chart or even up here, you could let it go. I always try and go just right on the chart and just let go, okay? Okay, so let's try that again. Just click and hold on the file, drag it right on top of the chart, and let go. You're going to get a pop-up saying, hey, are you sure you want to install this extension, this strategy file? And I know it's a strategy file. It tells me that here in the type. Let's go ahead and click install. Now, in this case, I already installed this once, so it's going to tell me, hey, do you want to replace this one? We found another one that's already named like this. In this case, click yes or OK. That's going to overwrite that other file that has that same name in there. And it's going to give me a confirmation or a success message saying, hey, the extension was installed successfully. Okay, that's it. Now I've got this strategy file inside of my Trading Station platform. Okay, here I can access the strategy here from alerts and trading automation. I can start running backtests by utilizing the backtest strategy. I can start forward testing by actually running the strategy by applying a new strategy. Okay, so that one is going to be new strategy or alert all the way up at the top there. You've got all these other options here to configure them. So if you want to run that strategy right away, if we, what do we name that? Something tutorial, custom EMA crossover tutorial. So if we just search for that name, you can see it's in there in our available strategy files that we can run. Go ahead and click it, click OK. We're going to fill out our parameters for it. Okay, what time frame we want to run it on, our EMA periods for our 2 EMA crossover, all the other details, and click OK. Once we do that, then we're going to see it down here. Okay. If we want to run a back test, very easy. Come up here, alerts and trading automation, backtest strategy, wait for the backtester project to open up. And again, just find that strategy. Okay. Find the name of that strategy, whatever you have it named, set up our parameters for the backtest, run through the settings, set up the backtest to test whatever period of time we want with whatever settings, and then we're going to run through that. All right, I'll save that. I'll show that in another video here, but that's all it takes to go from creating a strategy, the few minutes, 5-6 minutes it took us to create a strategy, click the export button, which saves the Lua file. And once you have that Lua file saved, that's the actual code, then you drag it, click and drag this file onto any open market scope chart to install it. That's it, simple as that. Click the install button. Thanks for watching.